Hi, this is Russell from ICIDomedia. I'm just going to go through an overview of Ecwid, which is the online store that we use for our website clients. The store that I've got in front of me here is straight after I've logged into my store. It comes up with the area called the dashboard. You can see this gives us a bit of a summary about the current store. And you can also see on the right hand side here, this store already has 2 categories, 9 products, 10 customers, and a value of lifetime sales. Now the data, or the products and customer sales that are already in this store, are the default products that are in there when you first apply to get the store. So I'm going to keep them in there because it'll help me show you how to use it. So the main thing you've got to look at here is you've got a dashboard area, system settings, and your own profile area. On the right hand side here, you can also visit your store if you click this button. So if I click that, you will notice a new tab opens up and the store will load, and it'll give me a brief idea of what the store looks like. So you can see it just coming online now. Now the preloaded products that are in this store are fruit and vegetables. So you can see here that I've got 2 categories, fruit and vegetables. So if I click on one of those categories, it opens up that area and shows me what's in there. So I'm just going to go back to the other tab now. On the left hand side, you can see that we've got 4 different areas across the top: sales, catalog, customers, and promotions. In the free version, you can't use the promotions area. You'll have a look at when I click on it, it comes up with this warning and says if you would like to use this, you need to upgrade your account. So we're not going to go through the promotions area. Okay, so sales. Sales basically gives you a history of what you've sold and the status of each sale. So you can see here, if I scroll down, you can see all the different sales, and it gives me a total at the bottom here. I can also do other functions, so I can sort the sales by what status they're in. I can sort them by today, this week. I can do set dates. I can sort them by customer to find a customer. I can sort by what status the actual order is in, what method of payment, what delivery method is being used, and what fulfillment status is at. I can also sort by the amount as well. Next section is the catalog. Now the catalog is, as it says, it's the catalog of your products, but it's also the area where you break your products into different categories. So at the moment we're in the products tab, and we've got 9 different products listed here, apple to strawberry, and each of those products are in a category, and they're all live and available. When I go to categories, you can see here that it's got 2 categories, fruit and vegetables. If I click on the fruit and vegetables, it gives me an overview of what that category looks like. And you can see also that you can add new categories and you can add subcategories. You can also delete categories. Customers, this gives me an outline who is the customers that have made these orders, and you can see here the name here, email, and their order count currently. Like I said before, we won't do promotions because it's not part of the free product. So that's a quick overview of Ecwid, just showing you the 3 major tabs that you'll be using. The dashboard, which is the area you come to first of all. And the last bit I'll show you is the system settings. When we go to system settings, we get a lot of different stuff running across the top here. Now this is where you set up the basics of your Ecwid store. Now if you're one of our clients, we actually do all of this for you. So we'll go through and set this up, time zones, etc. We'll also set up your zones, but it's good to know that this exists because you can come in here and change these. You also have shipping, and you can see here there's already default shipping providers for customers in different areas. You can see you get those defaults, and you only need to enable them to turn them on. Taxes, depending where you are, you may need to also apply taxes. Payment methods, there's a number of preset payment methods that are here. If one of the payment methods you want to use isn't listed, Ecwid will actually go through the process of programming that for you and add that payment method in their list. Design. Now in the free version you only get 3 options: standard, beige and red. Now we only use the standard or the beige. We find the red's too harsh. So depending on what we've designed your site like. But if you go to a paid version of it, then we can design your shopping cart to match your corporate ID or website exactly. Mail, you can see here, this is just basically what email address is notification sent from, and in our case, because this is our site, it's coming from Ecwid at ICIDo. Social tools, it also has inbuilt Facebook tools as well if you have a Facebook account, and API, which you probably don't need to know about or use until you get to the more advanced stage. The My Profiles tab basically just gives you an overview of who you are, and it also gives you a chance to change your password. So that's it. That's an overview of Ecwid. It's an amazing product, and considering it's free for your first 100 products in your store, I think it's a great way to start. The biggest bonus, of course, is that it can be integrated into any website, including Facebook, and it's also compatible with mobile phones. Thanks. I'm Russell from ICIDomedia, and look forward to our next one, where I'll go through in more detail how to actually create a product in Ecwid.